Hi guys, I'm Srushti, interior designer by my profession. I've actually started my journey of being interior designer from TTA itself, as we have got just not theoretical knowledge but also the practical knowledge like site visits, market survey, material studies, and I've also studied Vastu Shastra from TTA. My first project was my home itself, where I did Vastu remedies. Then I've also did the freelancing work like wall arts, wall paintings. I did this in one of a gym, then in kids' bedroom, then in one of a play school play group. Going further, there was a campus selection. I got placed in Zolo Stays, one of a co-living company, where I was placed as a space designer. Day one of my joining, I have started working on end-to-end projects like dining area designing, rooftop designing, and rooftop landscaping. Then play zone, play areas, recreational areas, then reception designing. From there I have got much more to learn, and I have got much experience from there. With this, on the other hand, I was also doing freelancing work, and I am doing freelancing work. Like I did the projects like some small projects like bedroom design, then balcony makeover, TV unit design, then living area design, or some kids bedroom design. Going further, I have got my first project, that is first paid project I got. It was a denim showroom, which is in Aund. I have just recently completed it 3 months before. Then you can also check my designs in my Instagram page, the emphasis piece, to see there. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अभय नायक है। मैं फर्स्ट ईयर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग TTA चिंचवाड़ में स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, और हमने ये प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए सागवान वुड का यूज़ किया है, और 3 कोट ऑफ गोल्डन पॉलिश का यूज़ किया है, और फैब्रिक यूज़ किया है, खादी का फैब्रिक हमने यूज़ किया है इस पर।
Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Farande. I am an interior designing student of second year from TTA Chinchwad. As we have taken this product, this can be used less space, and it is a multi-storage. You can use it as a table, sitting, and storage also. At the last, I would thank you, our mentor Arpita Vyas ma'am and TTA for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
हाय, मेरा नाम शर्वरी पाटिल है। मैं सेकेंड ईयर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग स्टूडेंट हूँ TTA चिंचवड़ से। हमारे ग्रुप का नाम एनफ्यूजन ग्रुप है। हमने जो मॉडल मतलब फर्नीचर जो डिज़ाइन किया है वो एंशियंट और मॉडर्न का फ्यूजन करके डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है। तो और जब ये हम फर्नीचर डिज़ाइन कर रहे थे तो हम लोग को बहुत सारी मुसीबतें आई, पर हमारे जो टीचर्स और सर थे उन्होंने हमको बहुत सपोर्ट किया, मतलब हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन उन्होंने दिया। सो ऑल थैंक्स टू TTA चिंचवड़ कि उन्होंने हमको इतना सारा सपोर्ट किया और इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया हमारे क्रिएटिविटी शोकेस करने के लिए। सो ऑल थैंक्स टू TTA चिंचवड़।
Hello, my name is Ujjwal Yadav. I am the student of interior designing from Times and Red Academy. Today I am here to share my experience that we have got while we are here developing this furniture material. Actually, when we did research, we came to know that nowadays people are not using cold sewing machines due to newer and advanced technology in sewing machines. Most of the people are using electrical sewing machines. So we thought that we should make wise use of cold sewing machines, and we developed a portable basin from it. And this was my first experience, and I learned a lot. I enjoyed it, and while we were developing this, our faculties also helped us a lot. They are very approachable, they are very helpful, and I learned a lot. Thank you so much, TTA.
Hello, my name is Priya Raidas. I am an interior designing second year student. Basically, our product name is Smart Sitting. This is a kind of sitting which includes sitting, a storage unit, and a tabletop. This sitting can be used in many ways, like it is a multi-purpose sitting which is used as a breakfast table, working desk, or a coffee table, and many more things. This sitting we can place anywhere, like in restaurants, in working areas, etc., for means just for sitting purpose or for relaxation, etc. At the end, I would like to thank our mentor, Miss Arpita Vyas ma'am, for supporting us and guiding us.
मेरा नाम अश्विनी पवार है। मैं फर्स्ट ईयर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग TTH चिंचवड़ में पढ़ती हूँ। हमने कुछ डेकोर की चीज़ें बनाई है। उसके पहले हमने मार्केट सर्वे किया था, तो उसमें से हम एक जार और ग्लास के बल्ब लेके आए क्रॉकरी स्टोर से, और जो साइड पे एक्स्ट्रा प्लाईवुड जो बचा होता है उसके कुछ टुकड़ों को यूज़ करके हमने इसको पीछे यूज़ किया है इसके, और बल्ब और जो LED है हमने यहाँ पे मैं टाइम्स और ट्रेंड्स एकेडमी को थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है हमें ताकि हम हमारे टैलेंट और आइडियाज़ एक्सप्रेस कर सकें। थैंक यू।
Hi, I am Piyush Borole. I am studying first year interior designing in TTH in Chinchwad. Me and my group members design the flooring lamp. We have facing so many problems in selecting the materials. First we have making the upper side of the lamp hexagonal pyramid. We have select the plywood, but the finishing is not good. We have go to sagwan wood because of the natural wood looking so many like this better than the plywood.
Hi guys, I am Nikita Bhoir, student of Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad. I have completed my 1-year diploma in fashion designing last year. I have started my own label few months ago in Thane, Mumbai. Before starting my fashion designing journey, I was pursuing medical studies. With my medical studies, I have completed my fashion designing course. All the faculty of TTA is always been very supportive. I remember while I participated in fashion show, I used to get demotivated, but my teacher used to cheer me up each and every time. With their motivation and support, I have achieved my dream today. Throughout the fashion show, I have learned lot more things from my mentors. When I got out of institute, I was very cleared and very confident about my further path. I have done my internships with few designers in Mumbai and even worked on styling shoots and theme-based projects. And one thing to all the students, guys, keep patience and be more creative.
Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Bafna. I have completed my fashion designing course from Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad. I have completed my internship from Nivedita Sabu and SRF Media Group. During the studies of my fashion designing, the best learning part for me was fashion show. I think it was the best decision to participate in fashion show. It has taught me a lot. I have learned the actual designing process and many other things like selection of fabrics to be used according to your designs, time management, budget management, and many other things which will be always important for me. Starting from designing process to actual garment, during this period I have faced many problems. Many a times I got demotivated and thought to quit the fashion show. But because of continuous support and guidance from my faculties, I have successfully completed my garment. And even my garment got selected for Das calendar shoot. Whatever we have learned theoretically during the whole year, we have tried to apply everything practically during designing the garment for fashion show. And the faculties have always tried to bring best out of us. After completing my internship and seeing my work, I got an offer from Nikita ma'am and Purva ma'am to mentor and assist Artha Fashion Show 2020 for Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad. I was feeling so blessed to have such an opportunity, but at the same time I was so nervous as it was a big responsibility because the garment was going to represent Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad. Where once I was a student, there I have to do a job of mentor. This was really big challenge for me and opportunity to prove myself. And this opportunity had gained confidence in myself and I have successfully completed my job. And it was not possible without Nikita ma'am, Purva ma'am, Ashwini ma'am, Sapna ma'am, Srushti ma'am. I'm really thankful to them. Thank you so much Nikita ma'am for trusting me and giving such a beautiful opportunity. And the best part of Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad is the faculties. The faculties are always there to help their students even after completing their studies. And I'm so lucky to be part of such a beautiful family.
Hello, I'm Purva Sharma. I'm pursuing retail design at TTH Chinchwad. I've completed my first year. I've experienced many things since then. My experience here including my interior design studies as well as many other stuff like personality development, stage daring, and speaking in front of people with ace. The teachers in TTA are very approachable. They listen to our problems and always give better solutions throughout our problem. TTA gives us many platforms to explore ourselves, to showcase our talent. I have experienced a noticeable change in myself after joining a TTA. It's my happy luck to be a part of TTA. Thank you so much. Proud to be a TTN.
Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Ranthod, a professional fashion designer. I always wanted to do something big, like whichever field I choose. मुझे उसमें कुछ बड़ा करना था और मुझे फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग में इंटरेस्ट था. सो उसमें कुछ बड़ा वाज लाइक बॉलीवुड फॉर मी. सो आई सर्च्ड लाइक ऑल कॉलेजेस एंड इंस्टीट्यूट्स इन पुणे एंड देन आई केम टू टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स एकेडमी चिंचवड. वहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे बोला दैट दे प्रोवाइड इंटर्नशिप्स विद इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स लाइक कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर्स. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, मुझे यहीं पे एडमिशन लेना है. एंड देन I took admission for fashion designing and simultaneously completed a course that is reverse engineering so that I could get the practical knowledge which is required for Bollywood industry. And then I got an opportunity for PM Narendra Modi movie. So my experience for PM Narendra Modi was awesome. We enjoyed a lot, we learned a lot, like start to end हमने पूरा process सीखा. उसमें हमने रिसर्च किया, मार्केट सर्वे किया, फिर मार्केट से जाके फैब्रिक लाया एंड देन मास्टर जी के साथ जाके कैरेक्टर्स के मेजरमेंट्स लिए, लुक टेस्ट के लिए गए एंड देन एंड में हम शूट के लिए भी गए एज अ कॉस्ट्यूम टीम. इट वाज ऑसम. सो आई कंप्लीटेड माई इंटर्नशिप विद टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स एकेडमी चिंचवड एंड currently I'm working with Marks and Spencer as well as I take my own orders for designer wear. So thank you to all mentors and management team of Times and Trends Academy Chinchwad. One tip I want to give you guys is be creative and unique. You will definitely grow here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Moini from SY Fashion Design Diploma, a student of TTA Chinswad. In the time of pandemic, school, colleges, institutions had been closed and a new world of online lectures had been started. Online learning was a bit difficult for both teachers and students in the beginning, but all thanks to the faculty and teachers that they made the online learning more interesting and easy. We have learned pattern making subject. Ashwini ma'am used to make videos of drafting. We have learned fabric cutting, stitching in a simpler way. Before I don't used to like pattern making subject, but now my confidence had been increased and I have stitched different types of kurtis, tops, salwars, dhotis, skirts and many more. And I would like to thank Nikita ma'am, Purva ma'am, Ashwini ma'am for the wonderful lectures and the guidance. Thank you ma'am.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन, आय होप तुम्ही सगळे व्यवस्थित असताल या हार्ड सिच्युएशनमध्ये. माझं नाव तेजस्विनी आहे आणि मला फॅशन डिझायनर बनण्याचं माझं स्वप्न आहे. मी टाइम्स अँड ट्रेंड अकॅडमी चिंचवडमधून फॅशन डिझायनिंगचा कोर्स माझा करते आहे. तर या हार्ड सिच्युएशनमध्ये कॉलेजने डिसाईड केलं की आम्हाला ऑनलाईन शिकवणार, पण मला श्युअरिटी नव्हती की ऑनलाईन कसं शिकवतील, म्हणजे एकदम व्यवस्थित समजेल की नाही. पण ज्यावेळेस कॉलेजने ऑनलाईन लेक्चर स्टार्ट केले, त्यांचे PPTs व्हिडिओज PPTs व्हिडिओ थ्रू एकदम व्यवस्थित मला समजून घेता आलं. असं वाटलं पण नाही की ऑनलाईन शिकता येणं कठीण होईल, पण सगळं व्यवस्थित शिकता आलं. आणि आम्हाला रोज ऑनलाईन लेक्चर असायचे. अश्विनी मॅम स्वतः व्हिडिओ बनवायचे आणि आम्हाला शिकवायचे की स्टिचिंग कशी करायची. आम्ही ती ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स करून स्टिचिंग करायला शिकलो. आणि काही प्रॉब्लेम आला तर मॅम क्विकली असिस्ट करायचे की आम्हाला लगेच रिप्लाय करायची की नाही हे चुकीचं आहे, इथं चुकतं. रोज आम्हाला प्रत्येक लेक्चरनंतर असाइनमेंट्स असायचे. असाइनमेंट आम्ही कंप्लीट करायचो. मॅम सांगायचे काय व्यवस्थित आहे, काय चुकीचं आहे. आणि एक गारमेंट पण आम्ही स्टिच करायचो. गारमेंट स्टिच पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर मॅमला आम्ही फोटो शेअर करायचो. त्यानुसार मग मॅम आम्हाला सांगायचे की इथे रॉंग आहे, हे व्यवस्थित आहे, असं सगळं व्यवस्थित सांगायचे. थँक्यू अश्विनी मॅम. थँक्यू टाइम्स अँड ट्रेंड अकॅडमी. थँक्यू सो मच.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम काजल है. मैं चाइनीज़ आर्किटेक्चर पे काम कर रही हूँ. उस पे मैंने लॉर्ड बुद्धा का इंस्पायर होके ट्रेल व्हील की काम किया है.
Hello everyone, my name is Ketki.
My name is Shraddha.
And we are working on a theme Chinese architecture. Chinese architecture has an architectural view.
And we are inspired by the Chinese pillars and temples and the roofs of the houses.
The fabric which we used in our garment is net and velvet.
Net is breathable and velvet shows the empowerment, luxuriousness and wealth of Chinese architecture.
Everyone, my name is Pooja Balsure. I'm working on theme Chinese architecture and my inspiration is Forbidden City, which is very famous in China. I really inspired from colors, intricate detailing of the interior and construction of the China architecture. My garment is constructed in sheath silhouette. Front side of the garment is well detailed embroidered and intricately.
Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Patil. I'm into Chinese architectural theme. In Chinese architecture, I was amazed by the intricate window designs of Yellow Crane Tower. I used hand embroidery for the same intricate work. I have chosen architectural colors itself, like blue, blue-green for the garment. It was a wonderful journey till now, from illustration till to real stitch garment.
Good morning everyone, this is Kapil Thomre. Today I would like to appreciate not a person. I would like to appreciate TTH Chinchwad because the journey was very amazing from TTH Chinchwad to running my own business. TTH Chinchwad helps me a lot. They gives me a platform and the faculty was too friendly and frankly you can say. Like उन्होंने कभी कोई questions नहीं किया, मैंने कितने भी questions किया, they give me the answers like छोटे बच्चों की तरह. Like as we know, we need some practical knowledge rather than theoretical knowledge. Okay, so practical knowledge में कुछ जितना भी था उन्होंने मुझे सब समझाया. Like I have learned lots of things from them. Like from the first day of induction, you can say from the first week and the first day, I have learned lots of things from them. So now I would like to thank them for giving me this opportunity. And yeah, the freshers party was also amazing, which was managed by us. And yeah, like now I'm running my own business very smoothly. I have done more than 52 weddings, 102 birthday parties, and I don't know exact count of corporates, but yeah, I have done the Skoda one, then I have Videocon, Bajaj, like lots of things. Like I have learned everything from them. Like अगर मुझे कुछ क्वेरीज भी थी तो मैंने फैकल्टी को फ़ोन करके पूछा, रातों रात दिन हो रात हो उन्होंने मुझे आंसर दिया. तो थैंक्स अ लॉट TTH Chinchwad. लाइक मेरे लिए आप ही वर्थ इट हो rather than दूसरे कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन. एंड यस, आई लव यू. थैंक यू.
Hi, my name is Padmavati Vinode. I have completed 2 years diploma in interior designing in Times and Trends Academy. I am also pursuing BCom. I have also completed 1 month residential program in furniture designing in Oxford. After completing 2 months diploma in interior designing in Times and Trends Academy, now I am working with SK Interiors. Till now, we have completed some commercial spaces and residential spaces. There are some images of it. Thank you, Nikita ma'am, and all the staff for helping always.
Hello everyone, I am Damayanti Satkar and I am pursuing animation and VFX from Times and Trends Academy, Chinchwad. And today I'd like to thank TTA Chinchwad for this amazing journey I've had with them. Animation and VFX is a field that requires a lot of practice, and we need to be in sync with the day-to-day upgrades in the industry and also being creative at the same time. And TTA faculty has always provided me with every bit of knowledge required, and they arranged beautiful workshops and grooming sessions that actually helped me widen the angle of my imagination, and it also helped me getting better day by day in the work I did. And also the continuous support of the staff makes us push our limits. They always brought the best out of the students, and they gave us the industry experience, how to get into the industry, what is all needed, and everything. They provided us with everything. I am so thankful to TTA Chinchwad for giving me an opportunity to be a part of TTA family and giving me this wonderful platform to showcase my talent. I am really grateful. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Anchor Rishika Kaushal and I hope that you all are safe. Well, today I'm here to share my success story with you all. So it all started 2 years back when I dropped my graduation in 3rd year because मैं बहुत गंदी थी उस चीज़ में, ऐसा कुछ करी थी जिसमें मैं बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं थी. तो I decided to change my field. So I decided to take admission in event management course. अब कोर्स तो डिसाइड कर लिया, उसके बाद ये सोचना था कि अब कहाँ से करूँ. Then I came across Times and Trends Academy branch Chinchwad. It has a very nice ambience and मेरे को काउंसलर भी काफ़ी अच्छे लगे वहाँ के, तो मैंने वहाँ एडमिशन ले लिया. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मेरी लाइफ का बेस्ट डिसीजन था कि मैंने वहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया, बिकॉज मुझे पर्सनल ग्रोथ भी वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मिली. काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें थी जो कि मैंने अपने अंदर चेंज की. मुझे लगा कि नहीं क्या क्या मायने हैं ज़िंदगी के, वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. And my first event was in December 2018. वो भी मुझे कैसे मिला कि टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी में बाहर से कंपनीज आती हैं, इंटरव्यूज लेती हैं, जो बच्चों उन्हें अच्छे लगते हैं उन्हें हायर कर लेती है. तो मैंने इवेंट कंपनी में तो काम नहीं किया, मैंने स्किल्स में लिखा था अपने ऐसे इंटरेस्ट स्किल्स में एंकरिंग के मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. तो उनको लगा कि ठीक है कर लेगी. और सच्ची बोलूँ उस इवेंट के बाद मेरी किस्मत का तारा चमक गया. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि उसके बाद मुझे काफ़ी इवेंट्स आने लगे, क्योंकि हमें कभी कभी खुद को नहीं पता चलता कि हम किस चीज़ में अच्छे हैं. हमें पता क्या कहते हैं, जो लोग हमारा चाहते हैं भला, जो चाहते हैं कि हम लाइफ में कुछ करें, दिल गिव यू अ बोल, दिल गिव यू अ स्पून. अब खाना तो तुम्हें खुद ही पड़ेगा, कोई स्पून फीड तो करके देगा नहीं. एंड जो भी उसके बाद मेरे साथ हुआ, मैंने बहुत सारी इवेंट्स करना शुरू कर दिए. मुझे अच्छे इवेंट्स मिलना शुरू हो गए धीरे. अब तो मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 2 साल होने वाले एंकरिंग किए स्टार्ट किए हुए. बट ये 2 साल मेरी लाइफ के काफ़ी अच्छे गए. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट अभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी ने मुझे सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया बस उनका रोल ख़त्म. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया उन्होंने. अभी भी मुझे कभी कभी कोई कॉल आता है तो मुझे पता चलता है कि टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी की किसी फैकल्टी ने मेरा नंबर शेयर किया है कि हाँ शी इज़ दी एंकर. तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हैं कि नहीं ये बच्चा है हमारा स्टूडेंट है तो ये कुछ करे. एंड दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. मतलब जेन्युइनली कोई चाहता है कि तुम अच्छा करो, क्योंकि कभी कभी हमें समझ नहीं आता है कि हमारे लिए क्या अच्छा है. सब प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं, सेलेक्ट करना हमारे ऊपर होता है. और सच्ची बोलूँ मेरी लाइफ में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हुई हैं. जो भी मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, ठीक है मेहनत करना अच्छी बात होती है, मेहनत करनी चाहिए, बट जो मैं कर पा रही हूँ आज, एंड टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. तो थैंक यू सो मच टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी. सॉरी मैंने इतने इमोशंस डाल दिए, सॉरी फॉर पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस इन दिस वीडियो, बट आई रियली वांटेड यू टू रिलेट. क्योंकि कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि हाँ हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. मे आई टेल यू, आई स्टार्टेड विद 0. जब मैंने टाइम्स एंड ट्रेंड्स अकेडमी में एडमिशन लिया तो मैंने 0 से स्टार्ट किया था. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था होने के लिए, और आज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने 2 साल में बहुत कुछ अचीव किया जो कि शायद मैं सोच भी नहीं रही थी कि मैं कर पाऊंगी. तो अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखो, फेथ रखो, सही डिसीजंस लो लाइफ में कि कहाँ से तुम्हें क्या करना है, कौन लोग जेन्युइनली चाहते हैं कि तुम कुछ करो। और प्लीज़ 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 अगर कभी कुछ थोड़ा बहुत गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ ऐसा लगे कि हाँ ये हमारे हक में नहीं हो रहा है, हम इस चीज़ के लिए नहीं अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर पा रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ ये हो रहा है, ये गलत हो रहा है, वो सब मत सोचो, बस भगवान पे छोड़ दो। So thank you so much everyone for listening my story with Times and Trends Academy.
Hello friends, myself Siddharth Shankar Purohit. Talking about me, I am from a small town from Odisha named Berhampur, and I started my journey through the filmmaking stuff. I completed my graduation on 2018 as a computer science engineer. From my childhood, my dream was to be a filmmaker and to make my own. During my graduation, I shot so many short films along with my friends. I get so many appreciation from my viewers, but deep inside me, I know my editing skill was not good. I have no opportunity present in my locality to enhance my editing skills, so that I went to Hyderabad for further studies. I learned graphics designing, web development and animation at Hyderabad, but I was not satisfied with that because I don't have that much of skills in my pocket. In Hyderabad, one of my friends suggested me to go to Pune for higher studies. He didn't told me anything about Pune, and I didn't know where to start and how to start. I didn't have any family or friends in Pune so that I can stay there and continue my further studies. So I was hopeless at that time. After that, I planned to fly to Pune. During this time, I inquired so many institutes to know about how they can study and educate their students for filmmaking stuffs. And finally, I talked to my father and went to Pune for higher studies and job purpose. I belong to a middle class family, and my father was unable to spend my all the expenses in Pune. When there is a will, there is a way. Once in the evening, a institute called me and scheduled an interview with their career consultant, and I was excited about that. The next weekend I went to the institute and they offered me quality education as long with affordable prices. After some days I joined Times and Trends Academy Chinchwad to learn VFX as my career. Journey through Times and Trends Academy was very exciting and I learned so many things there. My batch was the first batch of Times and Trends Academy Chinchwad, but my faculties are very experienced in the film industry, and we started from basics of Photoshop and gradually increase in our syllabus like Premiere Pro, Nuke, Silhouette, Maya Dynamics, Max and lots many softwares. These are the industry standard softwares which are used in film industries. Times and Trends Academy not only teaches certified courses but also focused on students' growth from inside. They have personality development sessions to enhance your personality. They have motivational sessions to eliminate your inner problems. Career development sessions to show the students the right path to choose. They also organize so many events in a year to entertainment their students, like cultural events, freshers party, regional programs, special day celebration, RAM shows, interior exhibitions, industry visits and many more. They are focused on every type of development inside a student, not only career. They are not only focused on career but also they are focused on how a student grow from inside. During my journey through Times and Trends Academy Chinchwad, I saw so many people choose their career in Times and Trends Academy, and TT also helped them out to achieve their dreams. I attended so many sessions, events and functions, but Artha Passion Show is one of them which I never forget for a 1 second in my entire life. Thank you Nikita ma'am, director of TTA Chinchwad, and all the family members of TTA to help me out to achieve my dreams and desired studies on my desired way.
Hi, I'm Shilpa KP. It gives me immense pleasure to talk about Times and Trends Academy Chinchwad. I completed my 2 years diploma in interior designing in the year 2019. I am a self-employed designer right now, and I do freelancing in residential and commercial projects under the brand name SK Interiors and Decor. After taking break in my career, I always wanted to start something new, which I was very passionate about. TTA offered me the opportunity to hone my skills and provide a right platform to choose my profession. Being the part of TTA has always been an enriching experience. The comprehensive curriculum gave me exposure to different area of design through extensive project and relevant coursework. All the faculty here have been of great support. I started taking projects when I was in second year, which gave me a lot of confidence when I stepped out of the institute. I have delivered over 10 projects till date. I feel much accomplished with my achievements. Thanks to the institute for helping me decide the right career path. Thank you.